Now I'm going to get into my 2022 results for my 3 trading systems. And this is something that I believe anyone that's selling a course should go over their results, and their P&L for 2022. I'm trying to find, if anyone can find anyone talking about how they did in 2022, any instructor, please leave it in the comments below. I'm trying to find when one of the instructors talks about the results, rather than saying, oh, 2023 is going to be a great year and here's the plan and all that. I don't, that's good and everything, but what did you do in 2022? Why are you not talking about the results that you had in 2022? That should be the main question whenever you're looking at an instructor. Like, how have you been doing? What's your P&L? So this is the safe wheel. You can see that I started with $5,000. Here's December 30th. And you can see the equity curve. Probably the largest drawdown here, maybe 6,046 down to 58. 6,036 down to 58.36, or maybe 61.88 down to 58.89. Let me see which one of those is a larger drawdown. Yeah, it looks like the 61.88 down to 58.89. Let's do a little math. It's always important to know what the drawdowns were, right? From peak to trough, like the largest drawdown. Minus 5889. So this had a $300 drawdown, or $299, and it started with 61.88. So a 4.8% drawdown for the year was the largest drawdown, 4.8%. And you can see we started with 5,000 and ended at 6,085. 6,085 minus 5,000 is 1,085 divided by 5,000. 21.7% return. So there's a safe wheel. Those are really good results. Safe wheel averages around 10% a year based on back test. We ran it for real here. You can see got a 21.7% return with a maximum drawdown of only 4.8%. I mean, that's the key. Keep your drawdowns low, right? Okay, let's take a look at the earnings edge. So you can see here, December 23rd, it started about $5,000. Right. Our first trade was made in late December, it looks like. But we started with $5,000 on December 23rd, and you can see it kind of went down to 4,000. That's down about $1,000 on that drawdown. You can see we came up. I think we had a higher drawdown here. Let's see, 65.39 down to 44.38. And we also had, well, this is probably going to be the highest drawdown right here, peak to trough. So 59.79, and we got all the way down to 31.86. Definitely the largest drawdown. So let's do the numbers on that. 59.79 minus 31.86. So peak to trough down 27.93 on 59.79. So 46.7% drawdown. So the earnings edge does have a lot of volatility. You could see a drawdown of 46.7%. Okay, that's pretty significant. And that's what you can expect. Now we started with 5,000, we ended with 8,177. So 8,177 minus 5,000. 31.77 divided by 5,000. Did a 63% return. 63.5% return in 2022. Okay, so you get a lot of volatility, a lot of risk, you can get a lot of reward, and that's how that system worked out there. Okay, looking at the Premier Level 5 for 2022, you can see I just put money into the account, started with $30,000. Had some drawdowns. This is not accurate, I guarantee you. It just isn't accurate. The max drawdown on this thing was probably around 4, maybe 5%. And you're just gonna have to take my word for it, or you can ask anyone that was in the program, any of my students, they'll tell you the drawdowns were very minimal. And you can see that we ended it, this is an accurate number here, 33,654, that's accurate. So let's do a little bit of math on the Premier Level 5. 33,583 minus 30,000. Okay. Divided by 30,000. So that's about a 12% return, and that's only since April 8th. Okay, so if you annualize the return, it's about 15% annualized with about a 4, maybe 5% drawdown at the most with the Premier Level 5. So I'm just going to refer to it as about a 15% return annualized when I talk about 2022. When I talk about it in the future, I'm going to call it 15%, because when you annualize this out for 2022, it's 15%. And we'll be working our way into 2023. So there you have it for the 3 systems that I trade, and I trade in live accounts, and you can see my accounts on my P&L. Please go find other trading instructors that show their P&L, or at least talk about the results from 2022. And put that in the comments below, because I want to see other instructors. I'm looking for other instructors. YouTube kind of changed the way that the sorting through the channels, and now I can't even sort through the channels based on the last videos that were uploaded. I don't know if there's something wrong with my system. Maybe somebody can help me with that. But I'm trying to see all the latest videos that have come out with a lot of the instructors on YouTube, and I can't even get to the latest videos, so I can't really see how they were doing, or if they even talked about their results from 2022, which I think is of key importance. If you want to learn from an instructor, you want to learn from somebody that actually makes money trading. And the only way to know that is to get their P&L.